If you're using HubSpot like me, I'm sure you would love to import your LinkedIn leads with a simple button. All your Sales Navigator leads directly in your HubSpot CRM. Unfortunately, this dream button doesn't exist, but in this video, I want to show you one of the easiest way to export your leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator directly into your HubSpot account. Let's start. All right, so the first step is to go on GiveMeLeads.io, or you can click in the first link in the description. Then you click on Start for free, and here you create your GiveMeLeads account. Once you've created your GiveMeLeads account, you need to go here and click on Connect LinkedIn account. And now all you need to do is to enter your credentials. So you put your email, your password, and then you click on login. Then you need to install the Chrome extension. And for that, you just need to click here. Here we click on add to Chrome. And then we click on add extension. Now that your GiveMeLeads account is properly set up, you can go back on LinkedIn Sales Navigator and you will get a button like this one, extract leads. Then all you need to do is to use some filters. So for example, here I've made a search. So company headcount between 51 to 200 people. Current job title, head of marketing. I want people based in Los Angeles. And I want these people active on LinkedIn. So I toggle this filter here, posted on LinkedIn. And with this search, I have 64 results. Now, if I want to add these people into my HubSpot account, all I need to do is to click here on extract leads. And now you see that I'm redirected to my GiveMeLeads account. Then I click on continue. And here I click on save and export. Here I can give the number of people I want. So let's say I want 40 leads, and then I just need to go here and click on export leads. I will just rename my export. So head of marketing, Los Angeles, 51 to 200 people. And I forgot posted on LinkedIn. All right, perfect. Posted on LinkedIn. Then I press enter, and now the name of my export has been updated. All right, so after 2 minutes, my export is done. And now if I want to get my leads, I need to go here on download, and then I click on download CSV. Here is the list of the leads I've just exported. Here on top, you can see that I have the first name, last name, LinkedIn URL, LinkedIn ID. I have the verified emails of these leads, job title, location, and I have much more information. And for example, here I have the company website, company location, company industry, and company employee count. And these companies' informations might be useful if you want to personalize your outreach. Then what's good when you want to import some leads in HubSpot is that first with GiveMeLeads, we make sure that the data is clean. So for example, with the first name, last name, and company name, you don't have any problems with capital letters or with people with rocket emoji in their first name. So you don't need to waste your time to clean the data. And the second thing we do is to make sure that each lead matches your filters. So here you have a column filters. These leads are valid. So it means that they perfectly match my filters. But you can see if I scroll a little bit that some of them are invalid. For example, here we have invalid job title because he's a VP of marketing and basically it's not head of marketing. So with this column, you know if the lead matches perfectly your filters or not. And then you can decide to either upload it in your CRM or just decide to remove it. Now that we have this file, we want to upload it in our HubSpot account. All right, so I'm currently on HubSpot. The first thing you need to do is to go on the contacts page. So for that, you need to go on the left, you go on CRM, and then you click on contacts. On this page, you need to go here and click on import. Once you are on this page, you have three choices: import a file, sync from apps, or transfer your data. And what we want to do is to import from a file. So I click on import data. Then we click on start import. What kind of data is in your file? It's basically contacts. So the people you work with, commonly called leads or customers. So basically here, we want to import some leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So I select that. And then what I need to do is to go here on the bottom right of my screen and click on Next. Now it's time to upload my file. And for that, I just need to click here on Choose a file. I've just uploaded my file. So it was Head of Marketing, Los Angeles, 51 to 200, posted on LinkedIn.csv. Then choose how to import contacts. I want to keep create and update contacts. And here, same object associations. I will keep it like that. Now select the language of the column headers in your file. It's in English, so I keep it like that. Then I click on Next. And here on this page, I have to do the mapping between the columns in my file and my HubSpot contact properties. So here you have the column header from the file. So it was filters, source, first name, last name, and so on. You have here a preview of the data you have in your file. And then you can import this data as a contact properties. That's exactly what we want. And then here you can give the HubSpot property. So for example, the column first name in my CSV file is mapped to a contact property, first name in HubSpot. HubSpot already does the job to map the column from your file from the HubSpot property. For example, here, the first name here from my file is already mapped with the first name property in HubSpot. Just double check that HubSpot doesn't make any mistake. Yeah, here, for example, company type, it's a mistake from HubSpot because here the data in my file says, for example, privately held, but HubSpot want to import this data as company size, which is actually not the case. So if you have the problem, just modify the property. Or if you don't want to import this data, you can click here and click on Don't Import column. Once you've done the mapping and that you've double checked everything, you can go here on the bottom of your screen, click on Don't Import Data in Unmapped Columns, and then you can click on Next. If you want, you can give an import name. For this tutorial, the name is good. Then create a contact segment, we don't care. And here select the legal basis for processing a contact's data. It's legitimate interest lead. Then here we click on Finish Import. Now I have to wait a few seconds and my import will be ready. Now, if I want to see the new leads that I've just uploaded, I just need to go here on Create Date. Then I select Today. And here I will have the list of my new leads. So I have the name, job title, company name, and I have, of course, the emails of my leads. And this is how you can import leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator into your HubSpot account. So if you want to easily export your leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator and get their verified emails, you can click in the first link in the description. And now I see you either on GiveMeLeads or in the next video. Bye bye.